Once upon a time, there lived a very clever minister in the king's court. He had a solution for every problem. The king never made a big decision without asking him. But the other people in the court were jealous. The king's question. One day the king said, "You are a very wise man, minister, but your son is foolish and has no sense." The minister was shocked. "Why do you say that, your majesty?" The king replied, "Every morning when I go to meet the people, your son is there. I show him 1 gold coin and 1 silver coin, and ask, which one is more valuable? And every day he says, 'Silver.'" The whole court started laughing. The minister felt deeply hurt. At home, that night, the minister asked his son, "My son, which is more valuable, gold or silver?" The boy answered quickly, "Gold, father." The minister was confused. "Then why do you tell the king that silver is more valuable every day?" "The secret box." The boy smiled and said, "Father, come with me." He opened a box in his room. The box was full of silver coins. The minister was shocked. "Where did all these coins come from?" The boy replied calmly, "Every day the king gives me a silver coin. The day I choose gold, he will stop asking me this question, and I will stop receiving silver every day. I do not want to lose many silver coins for just 1 gold coin." The lesson. Tears came to the minister's eyes. He hugged his son and said, "You are not foolish. You are wiser than everyone in that court." From that day, whenever people called his son foolish, the minister only smiled and walked away. Moral of the story. Friends, some people work quietly and build great success. Others only make noise. If you know your path is right, it doesn't matter what the world says. The world often calls those people crazy, whom it does not understand.